Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in to another video. This is how I attach my drawer fronts to the drawer. I use double-sided tape. I get this double-sided tape at Harbor Freight. Honestly, it's some of the best double stick tape out there. It's extremely sticky. It does a great job holding up 3/4 inch melamine or 3/4 any material temporarily until I can put a 1-inch screw to attach it permanently. Getting some 1-inch screws. I got a pre-drill and my square drive ready to go. I'm lining up the drawer front to the cabinet. Getting that nice tight reveal. I'm pre-drilling a couple holes in the back of the drawer and putting my 1-inch screw in there. Once I put the handle on, it kind of locks both pieces together. And there you have it. That's how I attach my drawer fronts to my drawers. Stick in the second one. And with the adjustment that the undermount rail gives you, this is all you really need to attach your drawer fronts, because you could adjust them without moving the drawer fronts. A couple pilot holes, 2 1-inch screws, and that's how I attach my drawer fronts to my drawers. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.